to get interact with you, Piyush. It was nice, the discussions which you do or the way you tell the things about AI. But this is something which is a new learning for me, and definitely it's actually interesting. The discussion which we had in our breaks and the polls which you have actually conducted in this one was good. Thank you so much for that.
Yes, you have instilled something in everybody's mind, I would say. And now you made sure that the importance of AI in everybody's mind. Right? At least now it created a curiosity, I would say. Curiosity to see what it is, right? Overall, the objective of making sure that we are understanding what is AI, creating a curiosity of exploring more is what I would say the takeaways for me. Yeah, thank you.
Uh, those who have been dealing with the data, it's a good move for us to proceed also, because we never been thought of going to that AI side, but now you have wide open our eyes to foresee even the data engineers can excel in any of our portions. My existing part is in engineering plus data we are doing. Confidence, you guys have boosted us to excel in data side itself.
I find that the breaks that we have every hour is good, and the breakout sessions, the discussions were very good too. Okay, enlightening. Enjoyed them very much. Okay.
This course has been structured very well actually. The way it was proceeding, and it will not keep you sleepy for a long time. Your communication skills are excellent. For a person who is taking training for 3-4 days, it's very important that he should be keep engaged. So that part I must appreciate that. It is really good.
It was really well structured, and your communications was definitely good. You presented it quite well. The course name suggests demystifying. It's very difficult subject, and definitely you made it easy for us to understand. There are a lot of things, deep learning, machine learning, so many confusing terms, though I am from IT, but that's a new generation topic, and you really made us understand all these difficult terms. A good discussion and good learnings. So thanks.
Well, it's a pleasure to know you and learn from you. Definitely the session was, very much engaging and insightful. At least for me, right, who don't have a background, some of these basic concepts, I really learned, a lot of concepts at least, in today's session. And something like, robotics, machine learning, deep learning or NLP. I'm confident that, some of the projects which has got that AI element, probably it will help me in some of the implementations as well. Overall, great learning experience. It was very well structured. And thank you. Thanks for the opportunity.
The remarkable part of this session was that it covered the length and breadth of AI, practically touched on everything that revolves around it. To our excellent communicator, Piyush, especially in terms of presence, let's say great facilitator you are.
So your communication is great, and you know where to give a pause. That's very important. And you use very strong words to notify the importance of that subject, for the statement as well. And you use good idioms. You made our life easier on that part.
So today, the knowledge has been increased to another further 10 to 15%. Your slides and your presentation was so good, and you make it so easy to understand in the layman terms.
You have articulated well in terms of the examples from how we're connecting the history, how the AI been evolved over the period of time, especially like some of the examples.
The curriculum you maintain is very simply superb and excellent. This curriculum, right? Whoever is having tons of doubts, it makes easy our life.
That is what the business of peer learning is all about, and that is where a good cohort is a blessing.
See, I've managed to get a photo of him.
Wow.
On a lighter note, that's how captivating your presentation was. I've extremely benefited from this session. Your presentation was absolutely amazing. Thank you.
Your communication is excellent. And when I say your communication, so it's not about just speaking, right? Trying to connect with every people to trigger people is very important. And that's where I see your communication is excellent. Excellent session. I really salute the way you conducted it.
Said you are a very good orator and a very good observer, and you keep us engaged throughout the session and made it more interesting for us.
The session was extremely learning for me. It was very engaging. I guess on the communication part, you were a very good orator, no doubts on that point. You got the whole team, which at one point in time was in a sleep mode, very engaging. I think that was very nice.
What it is, you're uniquely identifying each and every person, and you're just having correct words and the right words to address them as well.